庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we got a song here by Luo Ying. It's a song called Dear Dove or Chingoige Nyekabe. Now, the song is actually a cover of 1862 Spanish composer Sebastian Heradier's La Paloma. It's actually one of the most recorded songs in history and has been performed in different languages. This is the first time being sung in Hakka, and Luo's version portrays a deep sadness of parting from a lover, comparing her to a dove that hopes to fly across the sea to stay forever in the arms of a lover. Let's take a listen.这首《亲爱的鸽子》请我给 Nyekabe 其实是翻唱1862年著名西班牙歌曲 La Paloma， 至今呢有上百个语言的版本，而罗英演唱是全世界唯一的客语版哦，没有传统古调的悲苦，甚至带点异国风情的基调，透过罗英独特的声线来唱出对爱人离去时的深切眷恋，愿化身为飞越大海的鸽子，长留爱人身边。What a classic Spanish song in Hakka, brought to you by Luo Ying. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Joseph Lin, and thank you for listening.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.